darling FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. Are we living and are we loving? This is how I open the front door when I receive packages from higher end brands. I have the absolute need to open up looking fabulous, like I deserve what they're giving to me for free. So many of you have said to me, Fumi, I live and love this gown. I always wear it when I'm transitioning and wearing some fabulous piece. And this is by Noel. It was my wonderful husband who bought this for me, I think 2 or 3 birthdays ago. And I just live for the sleeves. As for this headpiece, because you've seen my afro so very much, I should try to switch it up a bit. This, my darlings, is by Paco Rabanne in collaboration with H&M. And remember, it had like the long tassels. And I just thought, you know what, Fumi, just cut it. So I cut it and I flipped it from front to back. And all of a sudden, we have something quite glamorous. And then we have these beautiful Bottega earrings underneath. So, you know, it's all about glam. FUMINATION sister, a beautiful FUMINATION sister, sent me this gorgeous fan, of which I live and I love. So what I do is that I have Erin, my Mediterranean honeysuckle, and I just spray some fragrance all over it. Oh, it's the fabulosity. And then all of a sudden, you're fanning yourself. You're getting exquisite fragrance. Let me just spray some here because I just really do love it. I really, really love it. Darlings, we are having a meet and greet in where? Brooklyn, New York City on the 4th of what? On the 4th of August. I do hope to see you there, my darlings. It is going to be absolutely fabulous. We are going to meet at where? At the Bogart House, where we have the 1st, 2nd, 3rd floors, as well as the rooftop. It was my wonderful publicist who found this beautiful slice of heaven for us. And that is where we are going to party all day. Don't forget to arrive at 10 a.m. because all the vendors will be there. And of course, Healthy Hair Studio is coming there to give you some treats. When I tell you some treats, and you're going to live and love it. I cannot wait to see you guys. Thank you to all of my sponsors. Guys, your gift bags, mwah, copacetic, baby. Copa what? Copacetic. So we have general admission tickets. We have the VIP ticket. We have the golden ticket where you have breakfast with Fumi. You also have the diamond ticket where you have lunch with Fumi. Breakfast with Fumi is at the Plaza. Lunch with Fumi is at Tavern on the Green. And then you also have the platinum ticket. And that's dinner with Fumi at the most exquisite eatery. If you want to have a consultation with me, go right ahead, book a consultation session with me, and we talk about everything and anything, my darling. I am there for you. If you want to send me your business, you go right ahead, send it to the American address, or you send it to the British address. Again, we open up everything on our lives. I have a wonderful sister, a wonderful FUMINATION sister. And as you very well know, April is Autism Awareness Month. And I am a huge advocate for autism. I meet a lot of mothers and I am so proud of all of you. I have a FUMINATION, we have a FUMINATION member, and her beautiful son is 12 years old with autism, and he's called Sele, and she is raising money, not much, £5,000, because she is creating a book, and it's called Sele Speaks Without Words, because Sele is non-verbal, and it is a neurodiversity children's book. So I want you, my darling FUMINATION, let us raise this money. Let us make this money and let us send it to her. Only 5,000. Only 5,000. It is not much. By the 29th of this month. Let us do that for her. Okay, my darlings. For those of you that are looking for hotel rooms, do not forget to call or and email the Sabali Global Travel. As for Martin, Tell him that you are FUMINATION, and he will get you your flights and he will get you your hotel rooms. He's doing it for us. I am so excited to see you guys. Please just look for the links down below and we can get things on and going. Not long now, my darlings, not long. I am so excited. So why are we here? I'll tell you why we're here. Do you remember last week sometime when I covered Diddy? I was very emotional. I was really upset. And Howard University had relieved him of his duties, needless to say. At Howard University, they had taken back the honorary degree, and they had also returned the 1 million donation, of which he never donated to the university. I remember when I said that it was only a matter of time when he would be requested to return the key to New York by Mayor Eric Adams. Didn't I say it? I said it's a domino effect. Once one starts, then the rest will follow. He has done to so many people and gotten away with it for so long. I did another episode where I said, J-Lo, you have to speak out. Naomi, come on, speak out. Say one or two things. Stand on business. Just the way I stand on business with Zara when it came to Akoi, and she was told by some photographer who was working for Zara that she was a cockroach. And I said, Fumi, you got to stand on business. Now I'm beginning to understand one or two things, and we'll get into that in the next episode. Let me continue reading. So, my darling, the statement read, Howard University Board of Trustees voted unanimously today to accept the return by Mr. Sean Combs of the honorary degree conferred upon him in 2014. Do you know what had just occurred to me? I'm sorry to interrupt. The key to New York, they're going to revoke that too. You see, it's a domino effect. You just watch. They're going to revoke that too. Guess what? Mayor Eric Adams has requested that Puff Diddy Combs, Diddy, Daddy, Love, return the key of New York. Return it. And I stand by it. I stand by it for the way that you have treated women. It's funny because of all the other unscrupulous things that he has done. You know what? I will even bring that up. But all the unscrupulous things that he has done. Wait, what is this? Oh, please. All the unscrupulous things that he has done, I can kind of overlook it. I can't overlook the Cassie. I cannot overlook the way that you have treated women over the years. I am a woman. I am a black woman. And I am fabulous. And I just can't imagine you doing that. And you know what is also very interesting? Somebody corrected me in the comment section, of which I did not know. But maybe you guys did. Please correct me if you knew this. I had said that Diddy was an only child. And somebody in the comment section said, that is not true, Mama. Diddy has a sister. I googled it and it is absolutely correct. Diddy has a sister, Keisha Combs. I did not know that. And his sister is called Keisha Combs. Wait, hold on. Let me just get to it and really understand, because I want to know if they're half sister. Here we go. Keisha Combs and Sean Diddy Combs in 2005. Keisha Combs grew up with older brother Sean and their mother Janice. When Diddy was 2 years old, they lost their father Melvin, who was shot and killed, reports the New Yorker. He had been sitting in his vehicle in Central Park. Keisha went on to work for Bad Boy Records. I did not know that. She's very quiet. She doesn't want to get involved. And you know, the funny thing is that if Diddy was 2, then she had to be only months old. And I say that because that's the same for my brother and I, Yonju. Yonju and I are not even 2 years apart. I was born in 69 of April, and he was born in 1970. Yeah, December 1970. So that's the closeness. So I think that's what it is. But I did not know that he had a sister, Keisha Combs. So I go back again to say that you have daughters. beautiful daughters, 4 daughters, with the youngest being Love. You have a mother, Janice. You have a sister, Keisha. And you would do that to women. I will never be able to wrap my head around it, most especially because I saw the video footage of what you did at the Intercontinental Hotel. The Intercontinental Hotel, that particular hotel, is now closed. But when we were looking for venue space for summer 2024 FUMINATION New York City, we had thought and considered the Intercontinental Hotel. The comment section was flooded. You guys, oh my God, you absolutely let me know how you felt about it. And so we had to cancel that right out. And in a way, it was good, because then we would not have found this the most beautiful Bogart house, of which we have access to all floors. You're going to love it, my darlings. You're going to see the beautiful Brooklyn. You're going to be able to eat outside and do all of those things. And the mayor of New York, Eric Adams, has requested that Diddy returns the key to New York City. Everything tumbling like a bunch of bricks. Somebody in the comment section said, "Fumi, be very careful that I have cancelled Diddy, and Diddy still has his right to speak up for himself." And I didn't understand, and I thought I would bring it up, because if Diddy is cancelled, it's not because of me. If Diddy is cancelled, it's because of the way that he behaved. And we don't need people like you in our society. When we can see a video, it cannot be denied. Even Diddy has come out and said, it gotta be said.
I hit rock bottom, but I make no excuses. My behavior on that video is inexcusable. I take full responsibility for my actions in that video. I'm disgusted. I was disgusted then when I did it. I'm disgusted now. I went and I sought out professional help. I had to go into therapy and go into rehab. Had to ask God for his mercy and grace. I'm so sorry. But I'm committed to be a better man each and every day. I'm not asking for forgiveness.
It gotta be said. It gotta be said. You know, that time has come. I was in a dark place. I did what I did and it was wrong. For you to overlook that and say that, oh, Fumi, be careful, I am cancelling him. I thought it was very odd, and I said she must not be a FUMINATION sister. She must be somebody who just, you know, came to troll in the comment section. But I did read it, and I said to myself, oh my God, you know, I guess it's one of those situations where until it happens to you before you get the full understanding of what Diddy did. And I will say it here and I will say it anywhere. 30 million was not enough, because we don't know what he did behind closed doors. We were just lucky to see that sliver, that slice of misbehavior. And it's not misbehavior. I'm just trying to find words because, you know, hey, we're on YouTube. But to kick somebody, to stomp on somebody, to drag somebody, a whole human being, that's just terrible. That is just terrible. And I hope that it never happens to you, and you really do consider when you make careless comments like that. As far as I'm concerned, Mayor Eric Adams had no business giving Puffy the key. There are so many people that are deserving of the key. Do not give celebrities, don't award them for a God-given talent of which they themselves cannot get rid of or explain. It just comes to them the way it comes to them. And I'm talking about really gifted celebrities that are beyond their gifts and beyond in talent. They've already been gifted with their gifts. Give to somebody else. Let us not fan crush them and think, yes, you know what, let's give them honorary degrees, let's give them the key to New York, no matter how much money they throw your way. Let them donate if they've got to donate, but do not award them because they give you donation. That's what they should do. If they get a bigger slice of a cake, then share with others who don't have any. That's all that I am saying. It is deserving of Mayor Eric Adams to withdraw the key from New York. But I guess what I just came to say was that, didn't I just say it? Did I not just say that Mayor Adams was going to retract the key? And so he did. Que sera, sera. My darlings, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button. And I will see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. Do you know who I think this ambience reminds me of? Celie from The Color Purple. If only I could sing. You know I can't sing. I can dance. But I can't sing. All right, my darlings. I live for you. I gotta go. And I will see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. Mwah. This is what the fan looks like. I don't know whether I should bring it to you. Do you see? Is it not gorgeous? I just live for it. All right, darlings. Bye.